everybody, it's Tony back again with another video. I'll leave a timestamp if you just want to skip to the saw. But got my first Echo 4910 here. This is one of the first ones I bought, corded. This is the same one I sent down to Travis Does Firewood out on the West Coast, but this is more a video to kind of showcase this chain, but just a basic firewood build. Base gasket delete and some port work, you know. Doesn't even really have a super modded muffler. I just took that little baffle out, but here's the chain. This Oregon M72X3. It's a 0.325 speed cut, but it's got a they call it micro chisel. It's not a full square edge, but doesn't cut bad in my opinion. You know, I kind of like it. It seems to hold up pretty good in the dirty firewood. But this saw's cold. I'm still running on the Montech L111 at 32 to 1. So that's what I got in here currently. But I'm going to dice up a little bit of that pin oak. I don't have too much of the nice stuff left. I think the next batch of videos is going to primarily be in hickory, but we'll let it warm up and you know, just cut a couple cookies so you can get an idea of the chain. But probably got about 2 tanks on it. I'll probably sharpen it after this fuel tank, but at the moment it's still cutting pretty good.